Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of The Gadget Corner. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to an incredible product that will revolutionize your music experience. The Echo Dot 5th Gen with Clock. If you're a music lover or a smart home enthusiast, you're in for a real treat. And the best part? You can get your hands on this fantastic device through our exclusive Amazon purchasing link in the video description below, so stay tuned till the end to find out more. Feature 1, our best-sounding Echo Dot yet. Let's kick things off with the first feature that sets the Echo Dot 5th Gen apart: its outstanding sound quality. Prepare to be blown away by the improved audio experience, offering clearer vocals, deeper bass, and vibrant sound that fills any room. Whether you're enjoying your favorite tunes or immersing yourself in an audiobook, this Echo Dot will deliver an exceptional listening experience. Feature 2, check the time and more at a glance. In addition to its incredible sound, the Echo Dot 5th Gen comes with a handy LED display, which allows you to access information at a glance. Check the time, set alarms, stay informed about the weather, view song titles, and much more. All with just a glance at this smart device. It's like having a personal assistant right on your bedside table. Feature 3, your favorite music and content. With the Echo Dot 5th Gen, you'll never be short of entertainment options. You can stream your favorite music, audiobooks, and podcasts from popular platforms like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and more. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly play your favorite tracks throughout your entire home, creating the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Feature 4, Alexa is ready to help. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Alexa. This smart voice assistant is always at your service, ready to help with a wide range of tasks. Simply ask Alexa to show you the weather forecast, display song titles, set hands-free timers, answer your burning questions, and even share some humor when you need a good laugh. Forgot to set your morning alarm? No worries, just tap your Echo Dot with Clock to snooze it. Feature 5, keep your home comfortable. The Echo Dot 5th Gen goes beyond just playing music and setting reminders. It's your gateway to a smarter home. Control compatible smart home devices with your voice and set up routines triggered by built-in motion or indoor temperature sensors. Walk into a room, and watch as compatible lights turn on automatically or the fan starts spinning to maintain your ideal comfort level. Feature 6, designed to protect your privacy. At Amazon, your privacy is a top priority. The Echo Dot 5th Gen is designed with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic off button, ensuring that your personal information remains secure. You can enjoy the convenience of a voice assistant without compromising on privacy. Feature 7, do more with device pairing. But wait, there's even more. With the Echo Dot 5th Gen, you can expand your smart home ecosystem by pairing it with other compatible Echo devices. Fill your entire home with synchronized music or create a home theater system with Fire TV for a truly immersive experience. And if you have a compatible Eero network, you can bid farewell to Wi-Fi dead zones, ensuring a seamless connection throughout your home. Feature 8, climate pledge friendly. Last but not least, the Echo Dot 5th Gen demonstrates Amazon's commitment to sustainability. The device comes in 100% recyclable packaging, incorporates 100% post-consumer recycled polyester yarn, and is made with 55% post-consumer recycled plastics. It's a step towards a greener future for all of us. There you have it, folks, the Echo Dot 5th Gen with clock. The ultimate upgrade for your music experience and smart home capabilities. Don't miss the chance to make this fantastic device a part of your daily life. Remember, you can find the Echo Dot 5th Gen with clock on Amazon through our exclusive Amazon purchasing link. By using our link, not only will you enhance your tech game, but you'll also support the Gadget Corner channel, allowing us to bring you more exciting reviews and content. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Gadget Corner for more tech updates and reviews. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for the next big thing in the world of gadgets. This is your The Gadget Corner, signing off.